Here's a one-day STEM lesson using 10 materials or less, Pumpkin Dissection Edition. All you need for this STEM activity is some large real pumpkins or some small ones, paper plate, a measuring tape, food scale, these pumpkin investigation questions, and seed counting graphic organizer, and maybe a bucket of water. Up to you. When I did this with kids, I actually pre-cut all of the tops of the pumpkins. This made it a lot easier when we were doing this experiment. First, I showed kids me doing the experiment using the video that I recorded. And this video actually showed each of the tests in order with my own pumpkin. One of the tests actually shows if a pumpkin sinks or floats. So that is up to you if you want kids to test that, but you can also use the video and it shows how a pumpkin, spoiler alert, floats. Students went through each of the tests in order before they could open their pumpkin and find out how many seeds it has. I was a little bit mean and I made kids use their bare hands to scoop out the guts. I didn't give them a spoon, but that's your discretion. But I made sure that anything you scooped out had to stay on the paper plate. Once all the seeds were on the paper plate, then they would use this graphic organizer to help them count the seeds by sets of 10. This STEM lesson was good, messy fun. It really only took about 30 minutes from start to finish, and it was a great way to explore these cute little fall vegetables.